Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today I will show you how to make a rice laddu in a microwave. We have Sharanya here. She is going to help us make this recipe. So let's get started. Take a microwave safe dish. This is a non-stick pan, microwave safe non-stick pan. Into it add about 1 cup of rice. If you have matta rice, you can add the matta rice. This is Sona Masuri. So I am going to add 1 cup of Sona Masuri rice. Spread it evenly.
You are making chapati?
No, you're not making chapati. I thought you don't want to cook, right? You said you don't want to cook, right? After spreading it evenly all over, we will go ahead and roast it in a microwave on high power for 4 minutes. Today she has decided that she will not look at the camera, she don't want to shoot. So if you don't want to come in front of the camera, then why are you sitting here? Huh? Oh, you want to sleep with teddy bear? Okay. Okay, it's now exactly 20 minutes and I roasted the rice for 20 minutes and it has started to become nice golden brown in color, and it has become, when you taste it, it will be crispier as well. So this is the correct consistency for the rice to get roasted. So I roasted it on high flame, high power for 20 minutes. So let us take out our rice from the microwave. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, hot.
Brown and white.
Yes, light brown and white. Okay, now what we'll do is we will allow it to cool and allow the rice to cool and come to a room temperature. So we will place it in another vessel. I'm going to pour it here. Okay, I'm going to add the rice in this bowl. In a mixing bowl, you can place it just as it is, and you can allow it to cool. Don't touch it, okay? It is very hot, and this is also very hot. Can you sit on a little bit side? Yes, thank you. Okay, now in this we will be adding the cashew nut. Now our rice is ready. You can see it has become nice light golden brown in color. And it has roasted well and nice. This is how it will look like. It has become nice golden brown, a little slight golden in color. Since our laddu is made of rice and cashew nuts, we will need 1 cup of cashew nut into it and roast it till the cashew nut turns light golden brown in color. Want some cashew nuts? Yes. I'll roast this, okay? Cashew nuts have also roasted well and nice. You can see they have started to become nice light brown in color. I have actually roasted it for 4 minutes on high power. After every 2 minutes, I give it a nice mix and roasted it back again. Now let us keep this aside. Now we will allow it to cool the rice, and we will add the cashew nut, roasted cashew nut into it and let them cool. In another vessel, add 200 grams of jaggery, add 1 cup of water, and microwave it on high power for about 4 minutes or till the jaggery starts to melt. Okay, now in a mixing jar, the camera was not on at that time. We added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in it, and we'll add 4 green cardamom pods and add rest of the mixture of cashew nut and the roasted rice into it. And grind them to make a coarse powder. After adding all the ingredients, we will go ahead and grind it to make a coarse powder. Okay, I kept the jaggery and water mixture in the microwave for 4 minutes, and it has started to melt. The jaggery has started to melt. We will microwave it for another 4 minutes on high power. Mix it well so that the jaggery completely melts and it becomes a nice jaggery syrup. Alright, let's check if it is ready. Oh, it's become nice coarse powder. It has become nice coarse powder, and it's giving a very nice flavor of the cumin seeds and everything in it. Let us go ahead and alright, now we will go ahead and put the mixture into the bowl. Coarse powder into it. What? Yeah, I did not. Oh, okay. And let us go ahead and take out our jaggery from the microwave. That is being already boiled for a while now. I have kept it for about 10 minutes on high power, and it was boiling and became very nice and syrupy. Now our jaggery syrup is also ready. Alright, now it has become a nice coarse powder, and the cashew nut has completely blended well. So it has become quite powdery. Into it we will be adding the jaggery syrup little by little. What happened? Mix it well. Now let us go ahead and make small balls out of it once the mixture comes to a room temperature. It's still hot. I'm making balls while it is still warm.
What are you putting in?
I'm making the laddus.
Laddu.
Well, there you go. Delicious rice and cashew nut laddu is now ready to be served. We will allow it to cool a bit.
Daddy, where is Daddy? You want to come with the umbrella?
No, baby. Thank you.
Hey! Hey! Umbrella.
Coming by the umbrella.
Yeah. Do you want to come with the umbrella?
Well, friends, that was delicious rice and cashew nut laddu for you. This is a microwave recipe. Please do give it a try and tell me how it came out. Also, do check out my website www.veenakitchen.com for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenakitchen.com.